Want to save thousands of dollars while running unlimited WordPress websites? Welcome to a game changer in the realm of WordPress hosting, WP Host. This isn't just another hosting solution, it's a revolution. Its power lies in its capacity to host unlimited WordPress websites and domains, all on the most reliable and blazing fast Ultraport servers. But what sets WP Host apart isn't just its unlimited capabilities, it's the speed, the reliability, and the cost-saving aspect that truly makes it shine. Imagine having the ability to manage high traffic volume with no extra or monthly cost and experiencing zero downtime, zero customer loss. That's what WP Host offers. The best part? This isn't a monthly subscription or a yearly fee, it's a low, one-time price for lifetime access. That's right, lifetime. That's potentially thousands of dollars saved and countless headaches avoided. Say goodbye to expensive, unreliable hosting. Say hello to WP Host. Imagine having unlimited bandwidth, managing high traffic volumes with no extra or monthly cost. Now let's take a moment to dive into that world. In this realm, your website's load times are blazingly fast, regardless of how many visitors you're juggling. This isn't some pipe dream, it's the reality with WP Host. The power of unlimited bandwidth means your site can handle any volume of traffic, no matter how high, without breaking a sweat. But we're not stopping at just traffic. Picture hosting an infinite number of websites and domains. No more juggling between different hosting platforms, no more limitations. Whether you're managing 2 sites or 200, WP Host can handle it all with ease. This is the freedom that comes with unlimited, the freedom to grow, to expand, and to scale without boundaries or barriers. So why limit yourself when you can go unlimited? With WP Host, the power of unlimited is at your fingertips. What about security? Your websites and data are 100% safe with WP Host. And that's not an empty promise. With our top-notch security features, we've got you covered from all angles. Let's delve into these, shall we? First up, our free end-to-end SSL encryption. This isn't just a fancy term, it's your first line of defense, ensuring that your website and data are always safe from prying eyes. Next, we've got our enhanced DDoS protection. This feature acts as a shield, fending off any potential hackers and threats that dare to disrupt your peace. And let's not forget our proprietary malware scanner. This trusty tool is always on the lookout, ready to detect and remove harmful files completely. It's like having your personal security guard always vigilant and ready to act. The bottom line, at WP Host, we prioritize your safety above all else. With WP Host, you can rest easy knowing your websites are secure. But WP Host is more than just a hosting service. It's a comprehensive platform that offers a suite of powerful features to simplify your WordPress experience. From the convenience of a one-click WordPress installer that gets your sites live in minutes, to the peace of mind provided by free website migration, ensuring zero downtime, WP Host has got you covered. And we're not stopping there. Our sophisticated control panel puts you in the driver's seat, offering an intuitive and user-friendly interface that even a newbie can navigate with ease. When it comes to performance, we promise nothing short of the best. With a 100% uptime guarantee and lightning-fast speed, your websites will always be accessible and perform at their peak, no matter the traffic volume. And because we understand the value of round-the-clock support, our dedicated team is available 24/7 to assist you. With WP Host, you're not just purchasing a hosting service, you're investing in a comprehensive, reliable, and secure solution for all your WordPress needs.